Well, I don't know if a lot of people are going to be playing basketball inside with that. Outside, excuse me. They need to be playing inside because that wind is still going.
Oh, it is extremely strong. Not the 54 miles an hour like we saw yesterday, but it's still gusting up to about 30. The big weather headline, though, for the next at least 12 hours or so is going to be the temperatures. Freeze warning in effect from 1 a.m. to 9 a.m. in the morning. That means that morning low temperatures really area-wide dropping down below freezing, 24 to 28 degrees. This is the time, at least right now, to protect any tender vegetation if you've been doing some spring planting. So don't forget about the pets as well that stay outside. Temperatures currently across the region. Want to show you just how cold the air is back to the north of us. It's 42 in Sioux Falls, where we're sitting at 54. Cold front is arriving, and that front is going to usher in some much cooler air. You can tell what it's doing, though, to the wind right now. It is just bobbing our cameras up and down. Those northwest winds sustained at 30 miles an hour. Talk about a bad hair day outside. I don't think any amount of hairspray that you could use could potentially help you out at this point, and you'd have to hold on to your hat big time. We're looking at 54 degrees here out at Epley, 52 in Hanscom Park, some of the other area neighborhood areas right now. Sherman at 54, Elmwood Park at 50 degrees, Autumn Grove, you're coming in at 57, and Nebraska Crossing is sitting at 52 degrees this afternoon. Across the rest of the area, much cooler temperatures from Denison to Carroll, sitting in the 40s, even 47 degrees in Wayne. That cooler air will slowly start to work its way to the south as that front moves in, and the winds will eventually start to shift from the northwest to the northeast. But right now we have gusts that are ranging anywhere from 20 miles an hour to more than 35 miles an hour across a large portion of the area. And the winds will begin to settle down, but it's going to take a little while until the front arrives. We have dry conditions across the area, and that's the way it's going to stay for tonight. So with less wind later tonight, and again, looking at that colder air settling in here and clear skies, we're looking at a very cold start to the morning. That's why the freeze warning in effect for tomorrow. Potential, though, on Sunday, as another front moves in, that we could see some thunder during the early morning hours. The chance for rain is very limited, but there could be some rumbles of thunder and maybe even a little lightning. Drier conditions, though, as we head into the early part of next week. So threat tracker right now on the low category. The winds tomorrow, though, once again will be increasing. They'll be breezy in the afternoon, but they're going to be from the southeast, 30-20 miles an hour with our gusts throughout the afternoon tomorrow, but not nearly as strong as what we've been dealing with here the past couple of days. In the morning, we're looking at morning lows dropping into the mid to upper 20s with clear skies and a little lighter wind in the afternoon, a little stronger wind from the southeast. Afternoon high temperatures will stay on the cool side for this time of the year, sitting in the mid to even upper 50s. Our normal high this time of the year around 61 degrees. Tonight, we're going to go with a low of 26. That freeze warning in effect with the northeast wind 5 to 15 miles an hour. Tomorrow, 57, mostly sunny and breezy in the afternoon. And the next 3 days, this is the way the temperatures are looking for us. We warm it up big time on Sunday with 68. That chance for some showers, maybe a thunderstorm early in the day. So not the entire day is looking wet. A little cooler, though, on Monday with 54. And then in the afternoon, the next several days, we'll start to see things warming right back up again. 60s, even 70s on tap for next week. Good time to download Storm Shield. This is when we have the chance for showers and thunderstorms here as we head into the weekend, and always keeps us alert and aware when there might be a warning or a watch issued for the area.
Well, an obese wiener dog goes from jumbo sausage to Slim Jim. Plus, the search is on for a space adventure.
But first, a cool sight on the surface of the sun. Craig is here now with your must